The Keychron K3 version 2 is a 75% keyboard, meaning it packs a lot of functionality into a compact frame. This makes it perfect for those with limited desk space or who want a portable keyboard for on-the-go productivity. The 84-key layout includes all the essentials, plus dedicated multimedia keys for Mac users, while remaining fully compatible with Windows. Keychron thoughtfully includes extra keycaps for both operating systems. One of the standout features is the hot-swappable low-profile Keychron optical brown switches. These switches are incredibly slim, leading to a lower overall keyboard profile and a faster, more responsive typing experience. They're also rated for an impressive 70 million keystrokes. The hot-swappable functionality means you can easily experiment with different switch types without soldering, allowing you to truly personalize your typing experience. The K3 V2 connects wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.1 to up to 3 devices, allowing for seamless switching between your computer, tablet, and phone. It also offers a wired mode with a USB Type-C connection for those who prefer a wired setup or need N-key rollover. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, offering a range of effects to suit your style. While the keyboard boasts a reinforced aluminum body for added durability, the bottom frame is plastic. This might feel slightly less premium than a full metal construction, but it also contributes to the keyboard's lightweight design. The two-level adjustable rubber feet provide stability and allow you to find the perfect typing angle. Overall, the Keychron K3 version 2 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a slim, versatile, and customizable mechanical keyboard. The hot-swappable switches, multi-device pairing, and compact design make it a true productivity powerhouse.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.